go. Point values are double. We got top 7 answers on the board. Name something you wish wouldn't make so much noise when you use it.
The toilet.
The toilet. Toilet.
Shave machine.
Shaver. They don't play it. Hey, Terrence, name something you wish wouldn't make so much noise when you use it.
The lawnmower.
The lawnmower. A lawnmower. Hey, Michelle, give me something you wish wouldn't make so much noise when you use it.
The washing machine.
Yep.
The washing machine. J.E.
A pencil sharpener. Electric pencil sharpener. Noisy. It's noisy.
Oh, J.E., when last time you used pencil sharpener?
About 2 weeks ago.
Okay, look, I'm just trying to help you understand that pencil sharpener ain't up here. Now, I'm going to turn. I want you all to do what they told you all to do. Support each other's answer. What's your answer?
Pencil sharpener.
Pencil sharpener? Good answer, good answer. Pencil sharpener. We got 2 strikes, we got to be careful. The Rosado family can steal.
I have to say a vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Well, Monica, again, darling, you got to be careful. You got 2 strikes. Rosado family can steal. Name something you wish wouldn't make so much noise when you use it.
Electric toothbrush.
Electric toothbrush. Rosado family, here's your chance now. Name something you wish wouldn't make so much noise when you use it.
Steve, the garage door opener. The garage door itself, yeah.
The garage door. Open up. 6. That's a good answer. 5. 4. It's time for you to